Today is a sad day. We're getting the Ebox ready to sell it. It's time for something different. Let's get it ready. All information on how to buy it and all those details will be at the end of the video. But first thing we're gonna do is get it a little wet and wipe it off. The plate is off. That looks so weird. My dad has the Allen keys at my grandpa's house, so I'll tighten those up later today, but that's how it's gonna be for now. Honestly, it doesn't even look half bad. Boom. That's how you don't waste a $20 sticker. I kind of miss the black look of the plate though, it looks kind of clean. I'm gonna get a new sticker for it for the new bike. All right, now we're gonna pump it to the recommended 28 PSI. Perfect. This grip was loose, so let's get some spray paint and put it back on. You can also use hairspray or like grip glue, but I just have spray paint on me, so it's the easiest. So that's why I'm just using spray paint. Let that dry. There's also scratches in the frame. They're mostly unnoticeable, but if you're like staring directly at it, you actually can't see it. Now that we're all done with the maintenance, let's talk about all the information about the bike. This is the Ebox 2.0. It has a 60-volt battery and a 2,000-watt motor. Dual suspension, 26-inch seat height, 12-inch rear and 14-inch front wheel. Hydraulic rear shock and spring front forks. Key ignition, top speed of 35 miles an hour, and enough torque to keep a wheelie up. The frame is very durable. There are 180mm brake rotors. The foot pegs are big and grippy. Let's talk about the upgrades. Upgraded 4-piston hydraulic brakes, upgraded riser bars, a seat cover, a headlight, a tail light / turn signal / alarm / horn thing, and 2 stickers. Here's everything you're gonna get with the bike, starting with the toolkit. There's also an extra fuse in there. Then we got the bar pad and the bar pad's decal, the stock bars which are bent, but you never know if somebody may need them. Extra screws, all the stuff from the taillight, including a charger which also charges the headlight, 2 owner's manuals, the brake adapter and some screws from the upgraded brakes that I didn't have to use, the charger. I'm gonna go take some pictures and videos for Facebook Marketplace. If you wanna buy the bike, here's the listing. I'm gonna miss it.